Hello techies, we are in lab 1.1.8. I'm going to create network topologies. Alright, so in this lab your task is to create a network design by doing the following: move marketing 5 computer and switch to canvas and connect the devices to create a star topology. Go ahead, this is lab 1.1.8, and in case this video appears to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So move marketing 5 computers and switch to canvas. So we will move this here and move this here and move this here and move this here, move this here also, and let's see, marketing switch. Move this here and then let's connect. So connect Ethernet to the switch. We connect this also to the switch, and okay, and we connect this to the switch. We connect this to the switch, and we connect this to port 4, so marketing 1, and let's see, connect devices to create a star topology. So this is created star topology. Okay, let's see, this is like a star topology. Let's check our answers. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that other students can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.